Hi guys, Spencer here with Cure All Plumbing. Just giving you a quick garbage disposal do-it-yourself tips on maintaining the garbage disposal and unclogging the garbage disposal. If you have an InSinkErator brand and or other manufacturers, there are other manufacturers that have this, is a self-service wrench. Take your wrench. You can find these on Amazon. A link will be provided in the description. So take your wrench. In the center of the unit, you'll find a socket for the Allen key, and then you'll see this will go clockwise or counterclockwise. Spin the unit counterclockwise. If you need to, you can kind of go like this to kind of unjam whatever may be clogging your unit. Once it moves freely like so, find the red reset button under the unit. The red reset button will be popped. This unit is not jammed, so it's not popped. Click the red reset button, then come up to your countertop and turn on the garbage disposal, and that will clear the garbage disposal. Contact Cure All Plumbing if you need any further tips in regards to unclogging or maintaining your garbage disposal.